Exploring the fascinating realm of dinosaurs unveils a diverse array of ancient creatures, each with unique features and intriguing behaviors. From the towering predators like T-rex and Spinosaurus to the swift and clever hunters like Deinonychus and Utahraptor, the world of dinosaurs is a captivating journey into prehistoric times. Join us as we delve into the characteristics and stories of these remarkable creatures that once roamed the earth, reshaping our understanding of the past. 1. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex, commonly known as T-rex, requires no introduction. Its status as the ultimate carnivore and the most formidable dinosaur to ever tread the earth precedes it. The name itself, which means a tyrant lizard king, undeniably reflects its fearsome reputation. Standing at over 5 meters, 16.4 feet, tall and stretching 12 meters, 39.4 feet, in length, with a staggering weight of 7 tons, 15,400 pounds, T-rex was initially believed to be the largest terrestrial carnivore in history. However, subsequent discoveries of fellow giants like Carcharodontosaurus, Giganotosaurus, and Spinosaurus have challenged this claim. Moving on a pair of robust hind legs, T-rex could sprint as fast as a professional footballer, though it struggled with balance, making Giganotosaurus potentially faster. While its brain size exceeded that of most other predatory giants, it fell short of the intellectual prowess displayed by raptors like Utharaptor. So, how does T-rex maintain its title? Its extraordinary sense of smell allowed it to track prey over vast distances and locate abandoned carcasses for scavenging. Additionally, its not-so-secret weapon was its formidable bite, surpassing that of any land animal in history. With bone-splintering jaws capable of exerting force almost equal to its own body weight, T-rex wielded 60 saw-edged conical teeth. Unlike other dinosaurs that needed multiple bites to subdue prey, T-rex could accomplish the task with just one powerful bite. 2. Utharaptor.
The formidable Utharaptor surpassed its cousin, the Velociraptor, both in size and ferocity, being 3 times larger. Sporting a 30-centimeter, 12-inch, long sickle-shaped claw on each hind foot, Utharaptor utilized these formidable appendages to kick, rip, and tear its prey apart. Its leg bones were exceptionally robust, providing the necessary support for powerful muscles dedicated to driving the lethal claw repeatedly into its prey. In alignment with its smaller raptor relatives, there's a possibility that Utharaptor hunted in packs, reminiscent of fearsome 3-meter, 9.8 foot, tall, 500-kilogram, 1,100-pound wolves. In a coordinated effort, they targeted prey many times larger than themselves. 3. Velociraptor. Famous for its role in the iconic kitchen scene of Jurassic Park, the intriguing creature with a deadly curved toe claw has been haunting nightmares for 2 decades. While the film may have exaggerated their size and depicted them without feathers, it did capture some accurate traits. Velociraptors were indeed swift and refined predators, exuding agility and intelligence, and there's a possibility that they hunted in packs. 4. Mapusaurus. Closely related to Giganotosaurus and bearing a striking resemblance, Mapusaurus preyed upon some of the largest dinosaurs in existence, including the 35-meter, 115-foot, long herbivore Argentinosaurus. Equipped with narrow, blade-like teeth perfect for slicing, the finding of bones from multiple individuals in a single location has led experts to speculate that Mapusaurus may have formed groups or hunted in packs, enhancing their lethality. 5. Troodon. Deadliness doesn't always hinge on sheer size and bite force. Troodon, standing at a mere 1.3 meters, 4.3 feet, tall and weighing 40 kilograms, 88 pounds, was a clever and agile creature compensating for its lack of brawn with an impressive intellect. In fact, it boasted the highest brain-to-body weight ratio among all known dinosaurs. Furthermore, reconstructions of its brain indicate early signs of folding, demonstrating a more advanced neurological structure. Fossilized skull remains suggest Troodon had large, orb-like eyes, providing superior vision and the ability to see in low-light conditions, enabling nocturnal hunting. Its slender build granted it remarkable agility. Despite being overshadowed by larger behemoths, a pack of alert and nimble Troodons could easily bring down much larger animals when hunting in a coordinated effort. 6. Spinosaurus. Earning the title of the largest carnivorous dinosaur to roam the earth, Spinosaurus is estimated to have measured as long as 1.5 double-decker London buses, reaching 16 meters, 52.5 feet, in length, and boasting a weight equivalent to a herd of full-grown Asian elephants or 20 tons. Its vertebrae were 20% larger than those of T-Rex, and it featured an imposing sail of skin supported by 2-meter, 6.6 foot, long spines protruding from its back. Despite its formidable size, recent evidence suggests that Spinosaurus primarily spent its time hunting in the water rather than on land. Its crocodile-like jaw, equipped with smooth, conical, pointed teeth, was adept at spearing slippery prey like Onchopristis, an 8-meter, 26-foot, long prehistoric sawfish, rather than tearing flesh from bone. Special structures in its snout assisted in detecting pressure waves caused by moving prey in the water. Nevertheless, Spinosaurus possessed impressive speed, strength, and a formidable set of claws, suggesting its ability to hold its own against other massive predators, such as Carcharodontosaurus, which shared its territory. 7. Carcharodontosaurus. Its name, a mouthful in more ways than one, Carcharodontosaurus translates to shark-toothed lizard, aptly describing the creature's jaw adorned with 20 centimeter, 8-inch, long serrated teeth. These formidable teeth could effortlessly cut through flesh, leaving massive, gaping wounds that swiftly incapacitated its prey. Despite being larger than T-Rex and boasting an enormous skull the size of a person, Carcharodontosaurus, along with its close relatives Giganotosaurus and Mapusaurus, belonged to a more primitive group of dinosaurs with relatively smaller brains. Instead, it compensated with powerful legs, as fossilized tracks suggest it had the capability to outpace T-Rex at approximately 32 kilometers, 20 miles, per hour. Whether it truly did so remains a question, given its disproportionately small arms, which would be incapable of bracing its 7-ton weight in a fall. 8. Majungasaurus. Majungasaurus has gained a somewhat notorious reputation. Distinctive tooth marks found on Majungasaurus bones in its native habitat of Madagascar align perfectly with Majungasaurus's own dental patterns. Indeed, the evidence suggests that this 1-ton theropod occasionally indulged in cannibalistic tendencies, a characteristic often associated with a ruthless killer. However, what remains unclear is whether these instances involved active hunts or merely efficient cleanup of already deceased relatives. 9. Deinonychus. The unearthing of Deinonychus in 1964 revolutionized our understanding of dinosaurs, dispelling the notion of them as sluggish and ponderous. Instead, Deinonychus emerged as a creature finely tuned for swift pursuits. Nearly twice the size of Velociraptor, fun fact, that the Velociraptors in Jurassic Park were actually modeled after the larger, more formidable Deinonychus, yet similar in weight, it embodied agility and likely operated as a clever pack hunter. Among its distinctive features were interlocking vertebrae that provided a stiffened tail for balance during running, and retractable 13 cm, 5-inch, claws on each foot, employed to disembowel prey held in its hands and jaws. 10. Giganotosaurus. The South American relative of Carcharodontosaurus, Giganotosaurus, was another colossal contender in size, challenging T-Rex. Depending on the specific specimen, it is believed to have been slightly smaller than Carcharodontosaurus but surpassed T-Rex in length, height, and slender build. Remarkably, Giganotosaurus claimed the title of the fastest among the three, outpacing the others by at least 16 kilometers, 10 miles, per hour, possibly owing to its superior balance. Despite its very large skull, Giganotosaurus, like Carcharodontosaurus, exhibited more primitive neurology compared to T-Rex, with its brain being only half the size. Nonetheless, evidence suggests it possessed a keen sense of smell, coupled with athletic prowess and an 8-ton bulk, rendering it a formidable adversary. Similar to Carcharodontosaurus, Giganotosaurus featured serrated and laterally compressed teeth, broad in profile but narrow when viewed from the front, ideal for delivering a series of injurious slices to its prey's body. This method would eventually lead the prey to succumb from exhaustion and blood loss. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of dinosaurs. If you enjoyed our exploration of these ancient creatures, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow dinosaur enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into prehistoric times. Keep the curiosity alive, and until our next adventure, take care.